I have the timer set for 3 minutes. So you just roll a ball. Okay. You don't have to fuss it with it too much. You get about that size. Okay. Then I've got my plastic wrap. Works the easiest. You can make it thicker. You can make it thinner. I like mine right about, I think it's a little less than 1/4 inch. And some people make the edges nice and neat, meaning they square it off. But sometimes I'm lazy and I just leave the edges the way they are, but you can square them off. So, there you go. And so that's pretty much it. You roll your ball. Mine come out different sizes. It doesn't matter. I guess you can use a scoop and make them exactly the same size. Then you use your plastic wrap. And I know Isabel makes them nice and neat. She kind of squares the edges off like that. I think that's just the style of arepas. And there you go. You can even flip it over in the plastic wrap. Okay, this one, it's a tiny bit thicker, but you could even make them thicker than that if you like. And then after 3 minutes,
start your timer, yeah?
I forgot to set my timer. After 3 minutes, they should look a little bit browner than that, little flecks. And you can flip them back and forth and play with them. They're pretty flexible. And they should be like polenta in the middle, almost moist in the middle, and you can split them. Okay, that's it.
And you cook them 3 minutes on each side?
Approximately. I just set the timer so I don't forget about it.
Okay.